Hi, my name is Tom Janak. I work with the Facilities and Maintenance Department here at the City of Rialto. And our team in facilities, we take care of dozens of buildings, city-owned, including fire, police department, and all the city staff buildings, and including interior, exterior, painting, plumbing, electrical, AC, some custom work too. And between all of us in our department, here's an example of what we do. Right now we're doing the preventative maintenance work on our air conditioning units, getting ready for this summer, changing filters and rinsing off the coils, that sort of thing. So here's one of our service vehicles. We each have one, and it is stocked with all the tools we need and supplies that we need to basically work behind the scenes and make sure everything is functioning properly in the city for all of our staff members, and also for the smooth running of our operations day to day, and also for the benefit of the citizens of the City of Rialto.